The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most important flagship launches in years, and this week's leaks have completely changed the conversation around what to expect. From massive wireless charging improvements to camera upgrades, battery boosts, refined design, and performance rumors that could challenge Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max and other 2026 flagships. There's a lot to unpack, even more impressive. All of this information is coming out more than 3 months before the official launch, giving fans and tech enthusiasts plenty of time to prepare for what could be Samsung's most balanced Ultra yet. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far. All the leaks, insider info, and potential surprises broken down for clarity. Wireless charging upgrade. Samsung finally levels up. One of the most exciting and widely anticipated upgrades is wireless charging, which Samsung has historically lagged on. According to ET News, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature 25W wireless charging. The standard S26 and S26 Plus will reportedly offer 20W wireless charging. Why this matters? Years of stagnation are over. Since the Galaxy S20, wireless charging speeds haven't improved significantly. But the S26 Ultra changes that. Catches up with Apple. The iPhone 17 Pro Max already supports 25W wireless MagSafe charging. Samsung users finally have parity. Outperforms older Android rivals. Many Android phones adopted faster wireless charging years ago, leaving Samsung behind. But the S26 Ultra closes that gap. Previously, the S25 series supported Qi2 wireless charging but lacked internal magnets, which Samsung claimed interfered with the S Pen and display components. Rumors now suggest that magnets may return in the S26 lineup, improving wireless alignment and charging efficiency dramatically. Camera upgrades, improved sensors, and selfie enhancement leaks confirm that the S26 lineup will continue Samsung's triple camera system, but with important improvements. S26, S26 Plus, 50 megapixel, main sensor 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, while the megapixels are similar to the S25. Firmware hints at new sensors for better low-light performance, improved HDR, sharper detail in photos and videos, selfie. Camera upgrade. Field of view increased from 80 to 85 to wider group selfies and better video capture. Ideal for social media content, vlogging and video calls, yes. The Infinity O punch hole is larger, but this is a worthwhile trade-off for the expanded field of view and improved functionality. This is the kind of small change that makes a huge difference for content creators. Battery improvements. Small but crucial battery upgrades are subtle but meaningful. The standard S26 battery increases from 4,000 mAh, 4,300 mAh, supports higher refresh rates, brighter displays, and power-hungry features like advanced AI camera modes. The S26 Ultra battery remains high, designed to handle gaming, media streaming, and fast wireless charging without compromise. These changes show Samsung is focused not just on specs, but on real-world performance. Design updates. S21 Ultra fans will be happy. Leaked renders suggest Samsung is responding to feedback from S21 Ultra users who were disappointed by the S22 and S23 Ultras becoming more Note-like. Slimmer bezels and slightly curvier sides. Redesigned camera bump on the S26 Plus and Ultra, more traditional S-series styling for Ultra users' dimensions. S26, 149.4, x 71.5, 6.9mm, S26 Plus, 158.4, x 75.8, x 7.3mm, S26 Ultra, 163.6, x 78.1, x 7.9. These slight increases make the phones feel more premium while keeping a slim and ergonomic design. S Pen updates. The S Pen slot remains, but Bluetooth functionality is removed, showing Samsung is slowly reducing its reliance on the S Pen. Some rumors suggest the S27 Ultra may remove the slot entirely. This indicates Samsung may be returning to a purer S-series experience. Performance. Exynos 2600 versus Snapdragon 8. Elite Gen 5 every year. Fans debate whether the Ultra will get Snapdragon or Exynos. Current leaks. The S26 Ultra may use Exynos 2600 in Europe, Snapdragon 8. Elite Gen 5 may appear in other regions. Exynos 2600 highlights, 2nm process. GPU, 75% faster than Apple A19. Pro GPU, 29% faster than Snapdragon. 8 Elite Gen 5 CPU and multimedia workloads also see major improvements. This could be the first Exynos in years to genuinely rival Snapdragon, especially for European Ultra buyers. Additional details, S26 and S26 Plus will include the Exynos 8 connectivity chip, optimized for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Samsung is developing the Exynos S2668, a dedicated chip similar to Apple's N1, to further improve connectivity. Launch updates, January 2026. Confirmed earlier leaks suggested a delay to March due to the cancellation of the S26 Edge variant. However, Korean sources confirm January 2026 remains the official launch month. This means fans will soon see final designs, pricing and color options for all three S26 models, S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Galaxy S26 Ultra versus iPhone 17 Pro, Max and competitors, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Wireless charging now matched, 25W, Exynos. 2600 may outperform A19 Pro in GPU. Tasks larger, 6.9-inch display versus iPhone. 6.7-inch wider selfie camera, 85° versus 78°. Google Pixel 10 Ultra better telephoto zoom. Larger battery and longer software support. Faster wireless charging and stronger build Xiaomi 16 Ultra. Samsung wins in software updates and long-term support. Xiaomi still leads in wired charging speed, camera comparison close. But Samsung emphasizes reliability and performance. Other key leaks and rumors: S26 Ultra design returns to classic S-series styling, but keeps a modern edge with curved sides and a bolder camera housing. Display, 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel rumored, with higher brightness and 120Hz refresh rate. Storage and RAM. Leaks hint at up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage for Ultra. Software, One UI 9.0 with Android 16, more optimized multitasking, and AI features for camera and productivity. Connectivity, 5G, Wi-Fi 7 support, and UWB tech expected across all models. Final thoughts, the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like Samsung's strongest Ultra yet, with massive wireless charging upgrade, camera improvements including wider selfie, FOV battery boost, refined design, powerful Exynos 2600, Snapdragon 8. Elite Gen 5 traditional S-series DNA for fans. The S26 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most balanced flagship in years. The biggest news? 25W wireless charging on the S26 Ultra, while the standard S26 and S26 Plus get 20W. Samsung is finally catching up with the iPhone 17 Pro Max after 6 years of slow wireless charging camera upgrades. Cameras are getting smarter too. Triple lens setup remains, 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, 12MP telephoto, plus a wider selfie camera with 85° field of view. Perfect for group selfies and content creators. Design and battery. Design is refined, slimmer bezels, slightly curved sides, and the Ultra keeps a bold camera housing. Battery gets a small boost too. Standard S26 moves from 4000 to 4300 mAh, while the Ultra keeps long-lasting power for gaming and media.